Sometimes, when we're building out a page that is slightly longer, we might want to connect one part of a page to another so that when we click on a button, it'll take us to a specific section on the page. For example, in this landing page by Allies Marketing, you can see that when you click on the Clients button up here in the navbar, it'll take you right to the Clients section. We can apply the same kind of functionality on Typedream. To link to a section, we'll need to first create an empty block to mark or set an anchor of sorts for the section we want to link to. Type /embed, go to the code section, and type in the following code. Replace the text in the quotation marks with a short descriptive word or phrase. Feel free to pause the video here. I'll also include the snippet in the description of this video that you can copy. Next, we'll resize this embed block by pulling on the handles. Now that we have the division ready, we want to go to the button or text and link it to that division. Click on Add Link, type hashtag followed by the string of text you used in the div ID. In addition to linking to sections on buttons, you can also link to sections on navbar items. And we're done! Don't forget to check out the other videos in our Getting Started series. Can't wait to see your amazing site.